In today's video, you'll learn how to properly close a presentation in PowerPoint, whether you want to close just one file or exit the entire program. Let's keep it simple and beginner-friendly. First, imagine you're done working on a slide deck and want to close it, but not the whole PowerPoint app. The easiest way to do that is by going to the top left corner and clicking on the File tab. This opens a menu where you'll see the option called Close. Click on it, and your current presentation will close, while PowerPoint stays open in the background. Now, if you prefer using shortcuts, there's a faster way. Just press Ctrl+W or Ctrl+F4 on your keyboard. This instantly closes the active presentation without affecting any other files you may have open. Another common method is using the X button on the presentation window. If your screen shows multiple presentation windows, clicking the X on the active one will only close that specific file. It's a quick and visual way to manage your work. But what if you want to close everything and exit PowerPoint completely? In that case, go to the very top right corner of the application window and click the main X button. This will shut down PowerPoint along with all open presentations. Now, here's something important you should always keep in mind. If you've made changes to your presentation and haven't saved them yet, PowerPoint will stop you before closing. You'll see a prompt asking whether you want to save, don't save, or cancel. Choose Save if you want to keep your changes. Choose Don't Save if you want to discard them, or click Cancel if you're not ready to close the file yet. If you have multiple presentations open, you'll need to close them one by one using the same methods, or simply exit the application to close everything at once. Once you get used to these options, managing your files becomes much smoother and faster, especially when working on multiple projects. And that's how you close presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.